Hello, this is Cynthia Fick, and this is the June 10th Stock Market Update, a two-part series on why is the stock market going up. I have some ideas and I'm going to share them with you. The first thing is, have we all noticed that we've gone through some of the worst consumer and investor sentiment in 30 years to, ho-hum. The market is decided to throw off its worry about tariffs and how they might affect things going forward. They become kind of jaded. And again, from the worst in 30 years to ho-hum, they seem to think that, this is gonna all get resolved. And that should be a pretty good thing. And then it's not going to cause a recession. And so that's a big shift in sentiment. And now we're coming up to the old highs that we reached before the market started to pull back, just the waterfall cascade we did, and then the true kind of bounce V-shaped type of recovery we've had. We're coming back up to old highs. And guess what kicks in then? It's the fear of missing out. It goes from fear, oh no, I couldn't possibly invest in the stock market, to, uh-oh, what if it keeps going up? So we kind of have that coming forward right now. But one of the big reasons, and this is part of part one today, is why I think the stock market is going up. And this is a higher level view, is aging and retiring baby boomers. They don't have any wages, they're not working anymore, but they sure are spending money. And why? Because they have it to spend. The baby boomer generation represents about $80 trillion of our nation's net worth. That's not billion, that's trillion. So again, they're spending that 80 trillion. And so that's supporting jobs, that's supporting our economy, and that is ultimately supporting our stock market. In the sectors that they're spending on: travel, leisure, financials, they need financial advice, industrials, and of course, they're also helping their children. And so the children have more money to spend also. So that hasn't all been shut down. They need help with their rent. They need help buying homes. It's hard these days. But the baby boomers have that. And so there's also a big transfer of wealth going on as we speak. Before they're passing away, they're helping their children, live a life, because right now things are a little tougher. So that is the first part, and I will tell you the second part next week on why the stock market is going up. Hope you have a great week, and we will talk to you next Tuesday. Bye-bye.